Dealing with refunds is just a normal part of doing business. Sometimes a customer returns a product, or maybe you overcharged them by accident. When you need to send money back to a customer, you can't just delete the original invoice. Instead, you need to use a refund receipt to keep your books completely accurate. Let me show you how to do it. To get started, go up to the top left corner and click your Plus Create button. Look under the Customers column, and right near the middle, click on Refund Receipt. First, use the drop-down at the top left to select the customer you are refunding. Then, choose the Payment Method. This is how you are giving the money back, like returning it to their credit card or writing them a physical check. Now, pay very close attention to this next drop-down called Refund From. This is the most crucial step. You have to tell QuickBooks exactly which of your bank accounts this money is leaving. If you are wiring the money back from your main bank, make sure your checking account is selected here so your balances stay accurate. Next, drop down to the Item table. Select the exact product or service that you are refunding them for. The original price will pop up, but you can change the amount if you are only giving them a partial refund. Before you save, take a look at the bottom left of the screen. Here, you have two text boxes where you can type a personalized message to the customer. One will display directly on this refund receipt, and the other will show up on their monthly statement. Right below that, you also have an option to upload an attachment, which is a great place to drop a photo of a damaged item or a screenshot of an email for your records. Finally, double-check your total at the bottom. Once everything looks good, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will automatically email your customer a professional receipt showing that their money has been returned, and your bank balances will be perfectly updated. If this walkthrough helped you out today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Also, if you want to support my work and get access to some exclusive perks, consider joining our channel membership by hitting the Join button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.